Hey guys, so today is April the 13th and it is 9 o'clock at night because apparently I never thought to record any talking bits for my vlog today until just now. So today wasn't super eventful, but me and Jessie did take a walk to the park that's just on the corner, which is called Holland Park. People are like, "Oh, you're naming a fairy?" Oh god, fairy's disgusting.
What?
We'll have to go out and do some shooting.
Yeah, that's why I'm like...
The green man. Does it still have the dime? And we went to the mall for like a hot second because I had to put a package in the mail for Jessie. So if you're looking for your USB key, the check is in the mail. And then I did laundry. Yeah. Clean clothes. And then I went and checked out the gym downstairs, which was actually pretty good as gyms go. Howdy. We're in the elevator. Check out the gym today. This is the gym. Looks like there's a little weight bench, some weights, mirrors. That's always good. There's a sauna. Pretty standard. Exercise bike, some treadmills, and some ellipticals or cross trainers, and some kind of fancy schmancy machine, and some bathrooms. So that is pretty much standard. It's a pretty good gym for what it is. So now I'm gonna work out. And applied for some jobs, and that's pretty much all I did today. Fairly standard regular day. So now I'm just gonna edit this vlog together and upload it, and that's about it. I'm probably gonna go to bed after that. Thank you guys for watching my VEDA vlog number 13. Make sure to like and subscribe and put a comment down below, because that's like my favorite part of uploading these videos, is getting to interact with you guys through the comment section. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys later. All right, bye.